Gust. A sudden brief rush of wind. I was walking on the road when I felt in a gust air. Moist. Moderately or slightly wet or damp. The leaves of plants were moist. Nippy. Slightly cold or chilly. I drank a tea in the nippy weather. Erupt. To explode or burst out suddenly, often referring to a volcano or an emotional reaction. The volcano erupted with tremendous force at last night. My girlfriend erupted in rage during the game. Scorch. To burn the surface of something with flame or heat. Be careful, the hot iron will scorch your shirt. Frost. A thin layer of ice that forms on the ground, on grass, etc. The frost covered all windows of the house. Shiver. To shake slightly and quickly because of feeling cold, ill, or frightened. I was shivering when I felt so cold. Frosty. Very cold or chilly. I froze in the frosty weather. Breeze. A light and pleasant wind. A gentle breeze was sweeping from south in the park. Frigid. Extremely cold in temperature. I had trouble walking in the frigid weather this morning. Sweltering. Extremely and uncomfortably hot. I can't walk in sweltering weather. Drizzle. A very light rain shower. We are walking in the drizzle without an umbrella. Drenched. Completely wet and soaked with water or another liquid. She got drenched by water.